Welcome to Finance with Avery. Check this out. SoFi just raised their APY on their checking and savings account to 2%. And the only stipulation with that is that that's if you have direct deposit with them. If you don't have direct deposit with them, the interest will just be 1%. And now they raised this to 2% with direct deposit, and that's just from 1.8%. I mean, they recently raised it to 1.8% last month. So they are on a roll right now. So that 2% yield right there, that's one of the top highest interest rates, APYs, that you're going to get on an online savings account for sure. And on a checking account, definitely, because usually checking account interest rates, APYs, are lower than that. Like the average interest rate for a savings account, even nationwide, is like 0.38, and like for a checking account, it's like 0.0 something. So this is definitely great, especially if you have direct deposit with them. And for that direct deposit, you don't have to do your whole check like direct deposit with them. You can do a certain amount. Really, there's no minimum amount right there for direct deposit. I mean, you can direct deposit $1 a month and meet that direct deposit requirement, basically. So even if you have an account in another bank and you want your funds to go there mostly, or vice versa with SoFi, like, it's easy. You set it up and it just goes, and they check on it monthly to see if you've got direct deposit going on and everything with that. And so it's just great. They raised this interest rate again, and definitely they have a referral going on. I got my referral link down in the description. If you open an account and fund it with $10 within a couple days, you'll get $25 and I'll get $50. So if you're interested in it, definitely check that out. Just make sure you fund the account within a couple of days, because I had a friend that waited about a week to fund it and we didn't get the bonus and everything. But I've had several other people do it within that range and get the referral and everything. So, and that's awesome. So definitely check that out if you're interested. But let's get back more to this interest rate right here. So the interest is accrued daily and compounded monthly. So you'll get that in interest also deposited in your account monthly with that. So you'll notice that every month at 2%, and that's on all balances right there. It's not just what your direct deposit amount is or anything, certain tiers or anything like that. It's the entire balance in your savings account and checking account. It's two separate accounts, but they're both will be getting that 2% APY, annual percentage yield, if you have direct deposit, and if you don't, it's going to be 1%. And with that direct deposit requirement, that's for the account holder's employer, payroll, or benefits provider. So you can't do anything like set up a monthly Venmo or PayPal, transfer or something like that. That does not count as a direct deposit. It has to be from an account holder's employer, payroll, or benefits provider. And this APY, this interest rate, this yield, it is variable, which means it can change. It's not a fixed rate. It's not any kind of contract that is locked in for a month or a year, anything like that. Thankfully, they've been raising rates. So they've been going in the right direction, been going up. And with the Fed raising the fund rate, that's been incentivizing banks basically to raise their interest rate. Some of the banks, not all banks are doing it, but SoFi is definitely on top of it. They've definitely been doing it. And so this rate could go up to 2.2 later this year or next month, or, next year or something like that, 2.5, who knows? But so it could change. It could go down as well. This range seems like a good range they're keeping it in, but it is variable, just so you know. And also, they've got a promotion going on with direct deposit right now. You can get up to $300 when you sign up for direct deposit, depending on how much you put in there monthly is going to be how much you're going to get from that direct deposit promotion. So if it's like between $1,000 to $1,999 for the month, you'll get $50. And you see right there on the screen the different tiers, the different levels of the promotion you'll get back depending on how much your direct deposit amount is right there when you sign up for the direct deposit. And it only takes a couple weeks for that direct deposit to start rolling in right there. So a couple promotions going on: referral if you sign up for the account, and then also promotion for when you set up direct deposit. And you definitely want to set up direct deposit so you can get that higher APY right there, that 2%. And so that's it with the video, you all. Hope you all have an awesome day. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.